This is Jake, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Teckin LED smart bulb. This is a 2-pack. It is the SB50. So it's a little hard to see because of the light. So the reason why I got these is because I'll be using them for my 2 floor lamps in the back. Currently they do not have bulbs inside. I got those from IKEA for like, around $10 each. And these cost me around 30 bucks Canadian. So I found these on Amazon. I'll link them down in the description. I'm going to be unboxing these. I'll put them inside the lamps. So here we have it. It's around 800 lumens. It's for the E26, E27, B22. Comes with a 12-month warranty, and it is an LED smart bulb, the SB50 for E26, brightness 800 lumens, estimated energy cost of 96 cents, and it does work with Amazon Alexa and with Google Assistant. So I'm gonna get this open. So there is a Teckin sticker right on top, but I will be cutting that open with my lovely knife Kara, and we'll get this open. All right, so the unboxing experience so far, wow, you have 2 little round balls that you just see. It's a nice look, you could say. So I'll try to get this out carefully without breaking anything. Okay, so this piece is attached. So the bulbs look to be well secured. No packaging damage as far as I can see. So you got that. The Teckin is written right there. SB50. All right, I'll put that on the side, and I will get as well the second bulb out. So we have the Teckin right here, and it does come with a user manual. We don't really need that, so you can just scan the QR code and it'll download an app. And so just a reminder, you'll need to use it on a 2.0 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. I was having trouble before with some of my LED smart lights. So the LED lights that are in my living room right now, they are smart LEDs. So I use them with an app, but be sure to connect it to the 2.4 gigahertz network because it will not work on the 5 gigahertz. So to control these, you will have to use the included application from Teckin. So unfortunately, there is no remote. That is the bulk of the packaging. There is nothing inside, just that. So yeah, no, I do not see anything whatsoever. All right, so this box can go to the side, and we have these two. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna plug these in, and I will show you guys how it looks like and how bright they can actually be. All right, so I have the lights plugged in. As you can see, they are flashing behind me, so I will be needing to set these up in the phone on the app. So I'll go ahead and do that real quick. So unfortunately, it's sad that it does not come with a remote. I would have loved it if it did come with a remote, but since smart technologies are coming out, we'll have to be using our phone for this. So it's installing. So it does say to use a 2.4 gigahertz connection. So over here, we have the 2.4 and the 5 gigahertz. Right now, I am currently connected to the 5 gigahertz. So I will connect now to the 2.4, which is our regular Wi-Fi. All right, guys, after a couple of minutes, 15-20 minutes, I finally got it to work. So there's 2 ways to connect it to the phone. So there's the AP mode and the easy mode. So the easy mode is the default one. Apparently it's supposed to be a lot easier according to its name. However, it took me some time to actually connect to it. So I had to use the AP mode. So now I have it on, so I can turn off, and on, and it also allows me to change the brightness. So right now it was at 100, now back to 50% and completely low. So I think for now I like it when it's really low. It's supposed to be accent lighting, so it shouldn't be too bright, but at the same time I can also change the color. So the theme of the channel, which I'm still figuring out, it should be around red or blue. So I can switch one of the lights to red, and then I can switch the other light to blue. If we do that, so now we have this nice little blue, this red and blue contrast, or Yeah, so red and blue here, and as well as the fill light, which is purple. So you can see my hand a little bit of the shine. It's not in the best spot right now, but I'm figuring where to put that. Okay, so now you can see that we have the two lights in the back. So these, they're actually very bright, 800 lumens. For 30 bucks for two, which is around $15 per light bulb, these are actually really great. On a scale of 10, I would give these an 8 on 10. The 2 points are just because of the fact that there's no remote included. That's just 1 point off. I mean, you do have a smart controller, but if I just wanted to say, let's have a controller that I can just use without using my phone, unlocking my phone and looking for the app, or a just a small controller like this, it would have been a lot more easier, a lot more intuitive, you could say. Just, it would be a lot handy to just have a remote rather than grabbing your phone, even though most people nowadays have their phones within arm's reach, usually in their pockets or in their hands. And also because of the way to set it up, it was a little hard at first. I had to go through another method, but it took me a couple of minutes, but it's not too hard. And once you got it set up, of course, that's the end of it. You don't need to do anything else after that. Just make sure you're always connected to Wi-Fi and you have yourself the remote on here. The app itself is pretty good, self-explanatory, pretty easy. You can also connect it to Google Home and Amazon Alexa. So that's pretty much it. That's the end of this unboxing. These are really good. Teckin, would I recommend them? I would very much recommend them. They are cheap, affordable, and they are very worth it. The value you get for $30, $15 per bulb. They're very bright. They're 800 lumens. I would definitely get these, and I would definitely replace my ceiling bulb. And I also have a lamp in the back. I would replace that one too with these Teckin bulbs. So I might do that in the future, but for now, this is my new lighting setup. I have red or purple. It looks more purple now, but it's supposed to be red. And I also have a blue on the side, or more of a violet color over there. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.